If you want to keep your iPhone screen on for a long time or forever, then what you do is go to settings here, go to display and brightness, go to this option auto lock, and if you want it to keep on for longer time, then you can select 5 minutes, or if you want to keep it on forever, then select never. But when you select never, your iPhone screen will not lock, and you have two disadvantages. The first thing is it will consume a lot of battery. Second thing is, unless you don't press this side button, your phone will not lock, so other people will be able to access your iPhone. So instead of that one, what you can do is you can go to settings, go to display and brightness, go to auto lock, make it for like 30 seconds or 1 minute, whichever you want. Go back, and there is an option here, always on display. Enable this option, always on display. So what happens is, even though your screen will be locked, but still you can see it is on, and in this way it is on, and people also will not be able to access your iPhone since it is locked. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment in the box below if you found this video helpful.